Kids Zone with Trishy.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Kids Zone with Trishy. That's me.
Today, I'll be a princess. Today, I'll be a princess. I'll get to wear pretty dresses that swish and swirl, and sparkly shoes that make me feel fancy. I'll ride in a royal carriage wherever I go, and wear the most beautiful crown covered with jewels. But Mommy says princesses don't get to play in the mud. Maybe I'll be a princess tomorrow. Today, I'll be a unicorn. Today, I'll be a unicorn. I'll have a tail and a magic horn. I'll trot through meadows and be the most beautiful of creatures. I'll look down at my house from high up on a rainbow. I'll wear a shining tiara made of starlight. But my unicorn friend says unicorns eat hay instead of pizza. Maybe I'll be a unicorn tomorrow.
Friends, did you like those two stories? Can you say yes or no? Can you say yes? You did? Okay, I'm glad you did. The little girl in that story pretended to be a princess. 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 Another word we learned in the story was crown and tiara. A princess wears a tiara. A prince wears a crown. 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 Tiara. 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 A princess lives in a castle. Castle. The other story we read was about a unicorn. 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 Bye, friends. See you next time. Come back for more stories. Thank you. Thank you for being here.